Sigflux – air in movement. Nothing is better in our lives than being sure that we are in a pleasant and healthy environment, where we can have comfort and safety in the quality of the air we breathe. The quality of the air in closed environments is very important, which makes it necessary to have equipment which guarantee the air is exchanged, so that we can have the quality of life in environments where there is no natural air exchange and circulation. For that, you and your family can count on Sigflux. Founded in 1992 in the residence of its creators in the city of São Paulo, Sigflux develops, designs, manufactures and sells complete air renewal systems for small and medium-sized residential, commercial and industrial environments. At its plant, which is now established in Araquari in the north of Santa Catarina state. Over its history, Sigflux has always had innovation as a part of its principal essence, creating solutions and new products which meet the needs of the market. We make a point to be close to our clients, so we always participate in the principal trade shows and events of the sector, and we have a technical sales team with distinguished service. Everything starts in Glauco Rocco Development Laboratory, where a qualified professional team brings new ideas to life, using prototypes and exhaustive tests which guarantee that the products are not only innovative, but that they carry within them the Sigflux quality. The new ideas are patented and are always in sync with the trends of the global market, always keeping quality and safety in mind. After all the tests are conducted, the product enters the conception phase, where the tools, devices and production lines are made. Sigflux is an extremely horizontal company, always focused on the development of products and on the customer. That is why it carries out internal activities and relies on highly qualified partner companies that pass through a thorough supplier evaluation system. The processes are monitored by thorough quality systems, monitored by the technical team of Sigflux. All the products are Brazilian, produced at the Sigflux factory, and from their conception, we take into consideration the quality, the fair price and ease at the time of installation. All the components arrive at the final assembly line, where the product is assembled, tested and packaged. Sigflux exhaust fans have certification from Inmetro for electrical safety, and all the processes of the company are certified according to international standard ISO 9001-2008. Sigflux is also a member of the Green Building Council, which always strives for sustainable construction. After assembly, all the products are sent to the Sigflux Logistics Center, which has an ample, modern space which maintains the organization and integrity of the products. It has an innovative order filling system, offering agility in the shipment, which is done by Sigflux on fleet or using partner carriers. From there, Sigflux products are sent throughout Brazil and Latin America, where they will meet the needs of the various people. Today, the Sigflux product line is recommended by the best designers, installed and acquired by the best installers and builders in Brazil and other countries, presenting works of world renown, such as stadiums, hospitals, airports and event centers. Sigflux is the only company in South America with a complete product line to implement the whole air renewal system, which is made up of equipment such as exhaust fans, air intakes, grates, pipes and accessories. In addition to the products, Sigflux offers exclusive technical support and innovative tools, such as SelectFlux, which is a program for practical selection to help in choosing the ideal product for your needs. In its principles, Sigflux has commitments to environmental and social responsibility, making use of water collected from rain, recycling of materials, and non-generation of pollutant waste. Behind each product, there is a set of values that aim at the complete satisfaction of our customers and the guarantee of a better quality of life, so you can be sure that Sigflux products are the best choice for your needs. we are continually innovating to become the benchmark company in residential and commercial air renewal. Sigflux, air in movement.